Hello everyone, welcome to back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss how you can use your LinkedIn effectively to generate recruiting clients and candidates. Let's dive in. First thing first, ensure that your profile is professional and complete. Your profile is the first impression you make on potential clients. So be sure it's a good one. Here are the key elements you should pay attention to: a professional photo, a compelling headline, an informative summary, details of your skills and experience, etc. Next, start building your network. Connect with the people in your industry, potential clients, and influencers who can help you to reach a larger audience. Remember, when sending a connection request, include a personalized message. It increases the chances of request being accepted. Now it's time to establish yourself as an authority in your field by sharing valuable content. You can share articles, blog posts, or even create your own content. This will not only demonstrate your knowledge but also attract potential clients. LinkedIn offers a specific services for recruiters called LinkedIn Recruiter. It's a platform that provides advanced search filters and allows you to connect anyone on LinkedIn. With this service, finding the right candidates and clients become much easier. Finally, don't forget to engage with potential clients, comment on their posts, respond to their comments, and show genuine interest in their content. This not only puts on you on their radar but also helps you build a strong relationship with them. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively use LinkedIn to generate recruiting client leads and connect candidates. Remember, consistency is the key. Keep engaging, posting valuable content, and building your network. Until next time, happy recruiting.